Are you experiencing starting issues or a rough idle, along with the P0340 code? This code indicates a problem with the camshaft position sensor circuit. Several components can trigger this code, so let's dive right in to explore the potential causes and solutions. Number 1. Faulty camshaft position sensor. The most common cause of the P0340 code is a malfunctioning camshaft position sensor. If the sensor is faulty, it may send a weak or no signal to the engine control module, ECM. When the ECM detects an incorrect signal, it triggers the P0340 code. In rare cases, the camshaft position sensor can become arced, throwing off the correct spacing and setting the code. Number 2. Damaged wiring. Another potential cause is damaged or torn wiring within the camshaft sensor circuit. If the wires are compromised, they can prevent the proper signal from reaching the ECM, which in turn triggers the P0340 code. Number 3. Faulty sensor connector or corroded. Damaged or loose camshaft position sensor connector can also disrupt the signal, causing the P0340 code. Be sure to inspect the connector and ensure it's securely attached. Number 4. Misaligned or damaged trigger wheel. The trigger wheel helps the camshaft sensor measure the position of the camshaft. If the trigger wheel is misaligned or damaged, the sensor will send inaccurate data to the ECM, leading to the P0340 code. Number 5. Worn timing chain or timing belt. Your vehicle's timing chain or belt ensures synchronization between the camshaft and crankshaft. If the belt or chain jumps a tooth on one of the sprockets, it can disrupt the timing and trigger the P0340 code. Inspect each of these components carefully to diagnose and fix the root cause of the P0340 code. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment for any question, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.